Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we're working on a SL55 AMG, and these cars do come with one of those big oversized mounting boxes. So we've redesigned that, shrunk it down to that size, and I'll show you how to install it. Let's get into it. Now the idea is simple. Because the box is too big, it doesn't really suit any Australian number plate. It has a lot of plastic overhang. Thankfully this is color painted, but it's not too bad. Now our one is basically a redesign of what's existing. So the idea is this: take everything off with the screws that you see, and we'll put this in its place. Might need a bit of a polish, but let's get into it and see what's behind it. So with the box off the car, we have 9 clean surfaces to work with. This is where our part comes in. Now, the idea is to mount this to the car, drill a tiny hole and put a screw in it. But the problem is there's no way to sort of center the part. So we've got an alignment tool that aligns with the grille to give you a rough location. So we can mark out the drilling points and then measure just to make sure, and then you can install the part. So I've got my new drilling points, but I do want to check because this alignment tool does rely on the grille. So that any movements there, you might be off by a mil or two. So it's always good to cross-reference your potential mounting point with a point on the car. In this case, is the parking sensors. Now that we have 2 perfectly centered holes, we can put our hardware in. Now there are some leftover holes from the factory box, so I've got some screws here, which is part of the kit, to plug those back up so you're not left with a hole. Now that we have the plinth on, it's time to choose a bracket that suits your number plate style. Now because it's a 2-part mounting solution, you need 2 things. One is a plinth that suits the make and model of your car. We've got plenty. Next is a bracket to suit your number plate. Now the way this works is, first you grab your bracket, it bolts on to the holes that are already existing. You can choose your position, followed by your number plate. And if you're running a different plate, like this one for example, grab the bracket that suits that. That goes on, followed by the plate. To install this is simple. Just line up any slot with any of the fixings on our new plinth to get your desired height. Just use the bolts provided. Now it's time to bolt on the plate. You can choose any of the micro adjustments already on the bracket, and you can also use the security key and fittings that already comes with it. Now the rear, same thing, got my plate, matching bracket. All I need extra is the rear adapter because Mercedes-Benz has a special bolt pattern. Put this on first, and then you can bolt on any normal plate from there. And that's how you get rid of the big ugly mounting box on the SL55. Just remember, 2 parts. 1, plinth that suits the car, make and model, and a bracket to suit your number plate style. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.